Well, we're back up here, and I thought that I was doing electrical today. It appears that I'm not, or at least not yet. I'm getting ready to switch out the implements on the tractor so that I can get the bucket, get some soil, bring it up here and build out the front of my house and plant a couple of trees. Now, why would I do that now when I need to get the electrical done so the electrician can come tomorrow, because he's not coming today, he's coming tomorrow, and get this house inspected and get some power in here? The answer to that is real simple. Because I'm married. Yeah. Alright, you're gonna have to get over. Come on, get over. You don't really fit up in here. You gotta get over. Move your butt too. I gotta be able to reach the pedals. Thank you. Oh, God. Follow! Alright, sit tight. Watch your tail. I'm just gonna bring some more across and we'll start building in.
Okay, so just on this corner and then we'll leave that corner for later?
I'll get it over there. We're just gonna shovel it over because the cement, our septic tank's right there. I can't drive over that. So where do you want this to the right of it?
Yeah.
All right.
And then it'll stay.
All right. Push the hill out a little bit. Still gonna need a little bit more shaping done to it. Eventually there's gonna be some other landscaping involved, so it doesn't have to be too smooth here, but we did want to build it out enough so that we can put the trees in here and not have too much erosion. There's so much left to be done out here, and there's always so little time to try and get it done. I don't have any idea what these trees are called. What are these? Do they have a tag? Emerald something. If you know what these trees are, put it in the comments because I don't know what they are. Emerald something. Does look pretty good. There is going to be a stone wall that sits here in front, so the dirt's going to come out to that stone wall. Same with the other side. And the plan over there eventually is that's going to be concrete along with a courtyard here. Got a couple hours left. I can probably do about 2 hours of electric. All right, we got this little cubby up top, and we're thinking we'd like to have a little light inside of it, controlled over the switch from right here. Not much of a space here for me to swing a hammer. So if I am lucky, I can get it to go in with the side of the hammer. Oh yeah. nice. It's in there. Well, I took the battery home last night for the drill, and I bet you I did not put it on the charger. I don't know if I got one here. See if I can learn from my experiences. All right, that ain't happening. Well, that may not be how this goes down.
Trying to keep the place clean while you work is important. Using the dust mop instead of the broom gets you scolded.
You have to do it, that's ugly.
What's that?
You have to put the camera on, that's ugly, huh? It was prettier. It was prettier.
Yeah.
We just
Let me just tell.
Oh. You know what I hate when you come in and fix it. I hate it.
Why?
Because it was pretty. It was.
It's pretty now.
Mm-hmm.
You did a great job.
Yeah. Oh, it's doing great until you turn it.
It's my fault for showing up,
Yes, for turning the camera
for
on.
being here.
Oh.
They say hindsight is 20/20, but when you're looking at video, you see everything. And right here, you can see that we're creating a problem for ourselves that we're going to have to fix later. Our staples are too spaced out. They need to be centralized. We're going to have to go back and fix that. Winter is coming, and that isn't the only time crunch that we're feeling. We just keep chopping away at the list of things that have to get done. We may not be working fast, but at least we're still working together.
Well, we spent a little time on the inside getting some wiring done. Took stock of some of the things that we still need to do. Since our local Lowe's is not stocked very well with stuff right now, we found very few items that we could use. We're gonna go over into the valley. There are 2 hardware stores there that are still open, so we've got about about 45 minutes of shopping, maybe we can find some of the things we need.
So I think that he was after the crickets, because I pulled the lawnmower back and then he ate a cricket.
Ew.
He eats grubs. He ate a grub. You dug up the dirt. Yeah, he eats nasty stuff.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, he eats bugs.
Oh, man, that's gross. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Well, it's an emerald green arbor vitae. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I can't pronounce that. It's a green tree. I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Okay, what happened?
It keeps doing the same thing to me.
Can't you like do a different setting?
What setting would you like to have? The one that doesn't the one that doesn't drill a hole through?
Or the one that doesn't tear your arm off?
Well, I don't need an arm.